Slick software features and an amazing camera front and center on Google's latest phones.
Cameras just keep getting better. Rich
know.
DeMuro joins us live from his home with today's TechSmart.
Hi, Rich.
Hey there, good morning to you, Jess. Good morning to you, Eric. Yeah, Google Pixel smartphones are known for having some of the best cameras available and also great software. Now the company has two new models with 5G, and today we're taking a look at some of their other features too. Google's latest Pixel smartphones are more of a mid-range device. You still get one of the best cameras on a phone, slick Android software, and now a reasonable price tag. We've got two phones here. This is the Pixel 4a 5G, and this is the Pixel 5 5G. Now, these two phones are similar, but there are some differences you need to know about. Both phones have the same processor. It's not top of the line, but it's fine for everyday tasks. Pixel 5 has water resistance and wireless charging, two features absent on the 4a. Otherwise, both phones come standard with 128 gigabytes of storage. There is no way to insert a memory card. The camera setup is identical. You get a regular and wide-angle lens for the first time. Pictures on the Pixels are perfect. You'll get great shots on the first try. New tricks include portrait light and this neat-looking cinematic pan video mode. Ironically, the Pixel 4a, the cheaper phone, has a bigger screen and a headphone jack. Also, both phones feature a rarity these days, a physical fingerprint sensor on the back. Battery issues of previous Pixels have been solved. There's even an extreme battery saver mode that could extend usage time up to 48 hours in critical situations. Pixel also has some of the most advanced call screening features to help you avoid nuisance calls. Pixel 4a is $500, Pixel 5 is $700. One of the rare cases where the less expensive model seems to be the better choice and value. Now, the Pixel camera is not going to be as versatile as, say, the latest iPhone camera or what's on the Samsungs, but you will get a great shot every time and on the first try. All right, if you want to learn more about these phones, which are arriving soon, go to my website. It is richontech.tv. The one that I would recommend is actually the less expensive model, the Pixel 4a 5G, which ironically has the bigger screen. Jess and Eric, back to you.
All right, Rich. Good.